In here, let me go ahead and collapse this, and let's open up the project tab and let's create. So we're going to create a new package in here. So I'm going to press Control Enter, and I'm going to say package, or you can right click and then new package. So in here, the name of the package will be student, just like that, and then press enter. And then inside, let me go ahead and create a new class. This will be student, and press enter. And let's also create another class, and this will be an enum. So enum, and then we're going to name this as gender, and then press enter. And there we go. So for gender, we want to have male, and then female, and then let's just say other. Then I'm going to click on student, and in here, let's define a couple of properties. So private, and then we want to have an ID of type long. So ID. We also want to have private, and then string, and then name. We want to have private, string, and then email. And let's have our gender. So private, and then gender, just like that, gender, and there we go. So now we could actually go and generate the getters. So getter, just like that, and then setter, and also the constructor, just like that. And you can see that all of this is boilerplate code. So this is why Lombok in here, that we have this library right here. So Lombok allows us to, so in here, what we could do is we can say at, and then let's say that we want the toString method. There we go. Let's say that we also want the getter. There we go. We also want the setter. There we go. We also want the no, or actually equals. Let's go for equals first, and hash code. And let's also have the no R constructor and the all R constructor. So we could actually replace all of this with at, so at, and then data, right? But the reason why I'm not doing this is because these fields, that they're not final, because later on when we connect to a real database, you'll see that actually when we connect to a real database using JPA, you'll see that these fields cannot be final. So this is why I'm not using the data field or at data annotation, but basically at data replaces all of those. But again, I don't want these to be final for now. So here, hence I'm going to leave these annotations in here, and there you go. Next, let's go ahead and build the student controller, which will serve as our API.